Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And this series is about learning how to read and write Arabic step by step. Today, this lesson is about another family of two Arabic letters. Let's get started. So, the letter Sad, which is like this, Sad, not seen. It's heavy sound. You can get your tongue, the side of your tongue on the top and your front of your tongue to the tip of your teeth. Let's say it. Sawed, saw, saw. It's like blowing air, a pump of air. Saw, saw. So, and the other one, the family is the same shape, but differentiates with the dot. We have a da, da, da. So the Arabic language is called language of dad because there is no language that has this sound. Not the, da, like D, but a heavy one, da, da, dad. Okay, so let's do it with the harakats. I'm just going to erase this one. I'm going to do the sad, another sad like this. And this one here. There is a small, just because this one here, another like this, that has then this is at the end, it has this thing. So with fatha sa, with damma so, with kasra si, with sukun sa. Let's do the long vowel. Alif sa, with waw so, with C. So this is not like a triangle. Let me erase this. I'll show you. It's just because with my board is a little bit hard to write it. Like this, straight, and a little bit of like a small line. And now I want to do yes. Yeah, like this. C. Let's do tanween. Always sun. Two فتحات sun. You can saw sun and saw son. You hear the noon, that's what we call it tanween. Kasra, kasratan, tanween kasratan, it's sun. So now if we want to do harfu da, so just to get the video short, I'm just going to add the dots here. نقط فوق الصاد. Then we're going to read it together. So da, do, di, d. Sukun, just small d. With long vowel, I'm going to open my mouth up. Do, do, see heavy. The. Now done, done, done. Now you got it. You got the tanween, you get the long vowel, and you get the small harakat, the short harakat. Let's erase all, and we're going to just have some words. So, sorry. So let's do. Let's this one. See. I'm just gonna erase this. Well, so sa, because it's sa. Do you remember this harf? Ba. سكون ب، ضمتان في الآخر. صبر 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 patience. Patience. Yeah, patience. I have صبر. So now let's do this. Do you remember this? Alif with Hamza, A. This is Sad. All what they do here like this. Ha and Ba. This one, it's friendly. But Alif is not friendly. That's what we don't attach it. أصحاب. 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 صاحب is owners or friends. There are two, like we can say, the owners or friends. أصحاب. Now let's do another word. With long vowel wow. So را تون. This تاء، التاء مربوطة في الأخير. صورة. صورة is picture. So let's read. صبر أصحاب. Yeah, this one. Good job. صورة. حسن جدا. Let's do some words with حرف الضاد. Do you remember this letter? Ha, ha. This is meme. Don, ha, Hamidun, or Hamid. Hamid. It's sour. Sour, Hamid, sour. Now let's do this one here. I'm gonna write another one. Ba, yeah, yeah. 2 dots, and at the end of حرف الصاد we have this semicircle at the end. بيض 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 بيض. It's eggs. بيض. Let's do another one. So, ra سكون r. Do you remember this one here? 3 like teeth. Sin. So their son is a tooth. So their son. So حامد بيض درس. حسن جدا. Now you can read some words with حرف الضاد and حرف الصاد and all these letters that we already seen. If you're new to the channel, just go back to my first lesson about the Arabic alphabet and go from there to here, and you're going to learn how to read and write step by step. See you in next lesson.